Wednesday morning, friends. I hope you're doing well today. Let's take a minute and look at our calendar. Do you remember what month we're in? It has 3 letters. It starts with the letter M. May. We are in the month of May. Yesterday was Tuesday, May 12th. Do you know what day comes after Tuesday? Let's say the days of the week together and figure it out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You're right. Yesterday was the 12th. Do you know what comes after 12 when we count? Let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What is a 13 going to look like, boys and girls? If 12 is 1 and a 2, what do you think 13 is going to look like? Did you say a 1 and a 3? Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. We have been working on some of our popcorn words, some of our sight words. We have WHO, that spells who, ALL. Do you remember that one? All, and PUT, put. Our words for this week, this has 2 letters, UP, up. Did you put your toys up when you were finished? Up. YOUR, your. Is that your friend? Your. Into, INTO, into. What have you been into while we've been out of school? Into. Who, all, put, up, your, into. All right, friends, go ahead and get your piece of paper ready. We're going to review our coins. We're going to do a math problem this morning. So if you have a piece of paper and a pencil ready, then you'll be able to do our math problem together. So let's look at our poster that we looked at last week, where we reviewed our coins. The brown one, do you remember what it is? A penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. So when we count pennies, we're going to count by ones. The next one, do you remember what this one is? It's silver. It has Thomas Jefferson on it. Do you remember what that one is? A nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents. So when you count nickels, you count by 5s. The smaller silver one starts with the letter D. D. Do you remember what that coin is? A dime. And how much was the dime worth? The dime is worth 10 cents. And the very bottom one has George Washington on the front, an eagle on the back. Do you remember what that one is called, that coin? A quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. Today, we're going to look at some pennies, and we're going to count to see how much. That's what my question says. How much money? So we are counting pennies. All of these are pennies. They're all brown. Abraham Lincoln's on the front, the Lincoln Memorial is on the back. That penny was worth 1 cent, so we're going to count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 6 cents. So I'm going to write the number 6. And then when I write the cent sign, I make a C and I put a line through it. 6 cents. Okay, boys and girls, this is where you'll need your piece of paper and your pencil. I'm going to read our math question for us today, and you be thinking of how you can draw a picture. I want you to think, is it an adding sentence or is it a taking away sentence? And be thinking about which symbol you're going to use. There were 9 pandas in a tree. It was crowded, so 3 climbed down. How many pandas stayed in the tree? There were 9 in the tree and 3 climbed down. What do you think, boys and girls? Is that going to be an adding sentence or a taking away sentence? I hope you said taking away. I'm going to draw my picture. I'm just going to use circles. You draw yours how you would like to. Even if you need to pause the video and do your work, that is fine. So there were 9 pandas in the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And my story said it was crowded, so 3 of them climbed down. How do I show that something is leaving or something is taking away? That's right, we exit out. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to X out the 3 that were left, or the 3 that did leave. So now we can go ahead and begin to write our equation. How many pandas were in the tree to start with? 9. What were they doing? Leaving or coming? Were we adding or taking away? Taking away, so we're going to make that symbol. How many left? 3. And then we're going to do our equal sign. Do you remember what the equal sign looks like, friends? 2 straight lines. 9 pandas minus 3 pandas. Now let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our equation reads 9 minus 3 equals 6. I hope you did your work, boys and girls. Join us back in a little while. We're going to read about pandas and we are going to do some writing about pandas. Hope you have a good day.